No. Stuffins. Hey, you little stinker. No, you can't. Oh, you're going to mess up the whole room. Stuffins, for crying out loud. I will give you a carrot, but you have to let go of the bag. Here. Take it. Go on. Let's go. You like it? Oh, you're gonna sit on it. Look at you. Two. You got two. When you get home from picking up chickens and come home to find your numbnuts sheep like this. Are you hungry, Rosie? This is Anna Nicole. That is not your mama.
Just another day in Australia.
Come on, you two. You want to eat it? We're gonna eat it for sure. Oh my God, Harold! You have to wait, Harry. I accidentally shut a chicken in my car. I did not know she was in here. And she laid an egg!